In this video, I'm going to show you how to install a bathroom mirror that is perfectly centered and level. This is an easy project for any homeowner and requires minimal tools. All you need are a level, some masking tape, a screwdriver, a tape measure, and a fine point marker or pencil. To start with, you'll need to measure the locations of your hanging hooks on the back of the mirror. If you're lucky, the hooks are at the same distance from the bottom of the mirror and centered on the mirror. If not, well, this is going to be more complicated for you. I've got an outlet and some switches in the way here, so I'm setting the mirror 8 inches up from the backsplash. Next, add a long piece of masking tape down where you think the center of the light fixture is, and at the elevation where you think the hanging hooks are. Use your tape measure to find the midpoint of the light fixture, and then set your level plumb at this location. Then mark the center line of the light fixture down the piece of tape. Since I need to come up 8 inches, plus another 18.5 for the hanging hooks, I need to come up a total of 26.5 inches. I missed that by a bit, so I add another small piece of tape. The hanging hooks are 14 inches apart, or 7 inches from the center of the mirror. Setting your level at the mark for the hanging hooks, draw a horizontal line on the new pieces of tape. Then mark the distance from the center for each of the hooks. This mirror came with some metal drywall anchors, which is good because this mirror is quite heavy. Dimple the wall at the marks you made previously, then remove the tape. For these types of anchors, you push in while screwing it in, and then the anchor fastens itself into the drywall. Be sure not to over tighten it or the threads will strip. Also, before screwing in one of the drywall anchors, it's a good idea to check if a stud is behind the wall where the anchor goes. If that's the case, ignore the drywall anchor and just screw into the stud. Add the screws, leaving a certain amount of the screw sticking out of the wall. How much will depend on your mirror, but about a ½ inch was correct for mine. All that's left to do is hang the mirror. If you have rings on, it's a good idea to take them off to keep from marring the wall. This can be a little fiddly if the hooks are loose, but luckily this one went on pretty easily. That will about do it for this one. I hope it was helpful. As always, thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.